College pun fibro kajing petip nam ta kitu ki bala dapat apply nam ta kini ki post ki budaya po ka office of the district medical health officer West Kasiel district Nongstoin te kila ai kita rek exam mar timing e baro dar ai te sa kan mau kitu berada pan apply nam ta kini mo dengan puli kat kum kan notice. This is for general information to all candidates who are already submitting their application for the post of guards, helper, DO, and cleaning staff under the office of the undersigned. Advertisement number ketu date nostoin. The 24, the date for the written test examination for the above post will be held on the 23rd. Okay, apply the advertisement arp tarik jong March, but exam kin penlong apply tarik jong April at MCH Hospital Upper New Nongstoin. Mau apa Upper New Nongstoin CHC. As per the timing below, all candidates are directed to report 1 hour before the start of the examination. Kapus jong agad de kasdang ka timing re shipo stang haduk hadwe stang ka subject re general English but general knowledge your cleaning staff khar baje haduk shibaje general English and general knowledge helper DO shibaje stang haduk ar stang general English but general knowledge and computer ya gitu kita apply bro lai tali mod ba ki hap tho jelas step hadu ar stang bai bro lai tali kita apply tang kawai ki an tho tang kawai kan mau katari exam kan dai ar fly tarik kan mau kan ar fly tarik April ar jan ar phau san terhadap thong smartphone mobile phone or any kind of media is not allowed at the examination center. Request all candidates to bring your own cardboard, clipboard, and blue ball pen to the examination hall. Kan mau kita pelada apply gini, kita empat dia jeng tip, kita pelajari jeng tip, terlabiang kita empat dia jeng tip. Sekan mau for exam, kita pelada ban apply mau for exam kan dia apply tarik jonggu April arjar arsan. Dia tanggi ni jeng tip, kebelah pun.